I fought Gwars more ferocious than you.
1 foot out of the Pelagiad gate, a level 1 soul just tempting fate. The sun is high, but the shadow is wide. There's nowhere on Vvardenfell left to hide. I hear the flap of the leathery wing, the herald of misery, the sky-borne king. I swing my steel, but the stamina's gone. This battle's been raging since the break of dawn. A swarm of red against the blue. They've got the scent of an Outlander's shoe. Screech! Die! They're coming in waves, mapping the waste for 1,000 graves from the Grazelands down to the Azura coast. If you hear that cry, then you're probably toast. Teal! Racer! Blocking the sun. There is no ending, there's nowhere to run. I climb the slopes of the red mountainside to find where the 6 house monsters reside. But forget the sleepers, forget Dagoth Ur. It's the winged pestilence of that I am sure. 10 in a line, like a kite string of death. I'm popping my potions and gasping for breath. St. Jill, won't you hear my desperate plea? Cleanse the horizon and set the world free. You try to sleep? Not today. You try to quest? They're on the way. The music shifts, the combat starts, striking fear into Nerevarine hearts. They're in the trains, they're in the ash, but pray for the feathery, leathery crash. For 1,000 graves from the Grazelands down to the Azura coast. If you hear that cry, then you're probably toast. Tail it, race it, blocking the sun. There is no ending, there's no